Hello, welcome to Eco-Friendly Farm. Today I'll show you known as bottle gourd and known as also in Hindi we can call it Loki. So bottle gourd should be known and grown in open and the sunny location. And second thing is top of the disc of the plant thick layer of the coco pit and well rooted manure in equal parts. So here are the tiny bottle gourd and Loki. So you can see this coming. And second thing is bottle gourd plant required plenty of water. So the soil is wet as you can see. And continuously pinching